Saturday, March 10, 2018. We're here in Mahlerts in Germany at the Röhnhaus Mahlerts, where the 22nd ZX team meeting is happening this weekend. This is another walkthrough video like in the previous years. Maybe this year I do it a little bit faster because many things on display are the same things as the previous years or similar things. So I will not go into every detail. And as usual, in the entrance it starts with the flea market and goods to pick up. And then when you enter the main building, the flea market continues with a lot of stuff from the 80s, computing stuff, Sinclair and some other brands as well, like Commodore. But as it's clear from the name of the meeting, it's mainly Sinclair, ZX, computers, and the QL as well, which had its development name ZX83. Kitchen. Hello. Hello. And then one of the two main rooms where the users are having the desks with their systems, and the full event is covered by several webcams. And this afternoon we had several presentations, and it was about 2.5 hours with about 6 different sessions. ZX stands mainly for the ZX81, and there are systems like which are maybe having the motherboard plus 10 different PCBs to give a working system. So really many nice ZX81 systems. This one session was about playing MIDI files with the 81. So this is mainly the 81 corner, and on this side it's mainly Spectrum-wise. And minutes ago we had an unboxing of a Russian Orel BK08 computer, which is now again in the original box. So the owner is showing it to us the second time, so it's really nice. You can keep it that way, perfect. Nice unit from the mid-90s. Thank you. Some Spectrum under repair and modification. A lot of electronic equipment here, as usual.
Gerade Nonsens steht.
Nice loading sound and nonsense on screen. So entering the second room, where it's a mixed user base, Spectrum 81 and QL. We had 2 sessions about the Q68, and this is my unit in a case made of Lego bricks. The case had been produced last week, and it fits nicely to the case I did years ago for my Raspberry Pi, which I mainly use as a QL. And on the Q68 we demoed the classic environment as well as running QLE, the QL runtime environment. And there are also some QLs at the meeting. This is one of my machines with a gold card and with a QLSD drive. So this year we have Marcel with us. Hi Marcel. And he brought one of his QLs which has quite a lot of internal modification and expansion. It has a RAM expansion inside and a Hermes chip and some other logic for...
That's for the RAM.
That's a RAM controller, okay. And here is another QL with a Super Gold card. There were some investigations about compatibility of Super Gold card with QLSD. And here's Detlef. Hi Detlef. Fighting with the screen to get a sharp picture. Currently running a QL with QLSD. With his handmade special edition of QLSD, which has two SD slots, so it's a double drive. One of the few existing on Earth.
One of five.
One of five. And here many other computers, mainly Spectrum. But here's another Q68. And notebooks all over because we need to prepare the files for our classic computers and to develop stuff. So this is mainly done on regular PCs.
Aber ich werde den Monitor aussetzen durch was anderes für den nächsten, weil der eben einfach immer auf 60 Hertz springt.
And here we have another ZX Spectrum clone, a nice one, similar to the Russian one from the look and feel. It's a Romanian one. It's called Micro Tim from a company called Data Tim in Timișoara in Romania, and currently loading a game and successfully loaded it. Some more Spectrums in operation. There is a loading sequence with the nice border animation. Yeah, that was the short walkthrough to this year's event. And for those not attending, it's really worthwhile attending, even if the journey is a few hours. For next year, you should intend to join. Okay, the evening starts and we are supposed to have another 6 hours to work with our systems and have a good time. That's it for now. Bye.